Downtown Chico business owners brought safety concerns to the City Council last night, saying ongoing issues related to homelessness are impacting both employees and customers. Action News Net reporter Emilio Del Carpio was downtown with business owners who shared their experiences, and City Council members also weighed in.
Men's store down in the basement that we built out a couple of years ago, and I had one of my young ladies feel like she was about to get raped down there. And there was another shop owner here on Broadway that just as of last week was propositioned to become a sex worker and was so scared, and that shop owner had to close their store.
Several business owners and community members linked what they're seeing downtown to the 2021 Warren settlement, which sets restrictions on how the city can enforce rules against overnight camping. I spoke about the Warren settlement with City Council members Winslow and Van Overbeck. Misconceptions that people might have about what the city can and cannot do, as well as what's protected and what isn't. I also spoke about courses of action the city is taking or is trying to commence before the settlement expires.
Specifically, hands are tied about enforcing anti-camping ordinances. Other things, especially when it gets to like violent threats, that is not covered whatsoever under the Warren Agreement. There's then no hint that we would ever be restricted from enforcing rules like that. So that's on us to just pull ourselves together and do what we have to do.
Winslow says the previous firm serving as city attorney did not prioritize prosecuting rule breakers, a key concern for the current council. In December, Chico hired the law firm Jones Mayer to take a more direct approach, enforcing city ordinances instead of depending solely on the district attorney's office.
And now we're adopting municipal prosecution as a practice, so we can make sure we're not relying on the county to hopefully do something with these individuals, but that we're actually able to specifically target under our own ordinances and make sure that there are repercussions for threatening employees downtown.
Councilmember Tom Van Overbeck told me he is discussing an increased uniformed officer presence downtown with Chico's police chief, aiming to deter crime before it happens. In Chico, Emilio Del Carpio, Action News Now.
The city of Chico officially entered into the Warren v. Chico agreement on January 14th of 2022. It expires in January of 2027.